After 2 years, most robot vacuums still work. The real question is whether they still feel worth using. The battery lasts less, cleaning takes longer, and navigation becomes less precise than when it was new. You start noticing missed spots, slower charging cycles, and more manual maintenance than you expected. And this is where many people changed their opinion. The robot isn't broken, it's just no longer effortless. Some users accept the drop in performance, especially if they maintain it regularly. Others feel the convenience disappears after enough small frustrations add up. So after 2 years, the value depends less on technology and more on expectations. If you expected perfection, you'll probably feel disappointed. If you expected help, it may still be worth it. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.